This is Crater Lake in Crater National Park in North America, and there in the front of me you have the Wizard Island. It's a wonderful April day, and I'm going to get down to see the lake. Half of the lake is covered with fog, and the other half is covered with it's sunny. So I'll try to get the best picture that I could of this lake. Here we have the very old pine, probably trees. They are covered in moss. And I'm going to walk from the top of the crater, which is right here, to the viewpoint, which is under me, which is basically a cliff that goes into the lake. You can see the trees, how thick they are. It's just unbelievable. And here is the snow. There was probably a snowfall yesterday night. Otherwise, I have no explanation how come there is so much snow here. And you couldn't believe that it's springtime here if it wouldn't be somehow warm than main time snowy. So here is the Wizard Island in front of me, and I'm going to go at the edge of the cliff. I really have to be very careful how I'm doing this, because this is a dangerous job what I'm doing now. As I said, one side of the lake, which is right there, is covered in clouds and fog that is moving over the Wizard Island. See, you can see it coming, and the other side of the lake, by the middle somehow, is covered in sunshine. And you can see the leftovers from the collapse of Mount Mazama 7,000 years ago. This place is, even today, considered by the Klamath Indians a very holy place. And when they witnessed the collapse of the mountain 7,000 years ago, they had a lot of legends and stories that talk about the event. Also, right there is the so-called shipwreck or something like that, which is nothing else but a rock formation or leftover from the explosion probably. And the Wizard Island itself, it's also the leftover from the explosion, somehow a little volcano in the middle of the lake. It's really amazing. I have to be very careful around here because I have the impression that the snow is somehow shaking. So that's Crater Lake, and I was so privileged to be here today. It's just amazing because from one minute to another the weather is changing here. Now it's sunshine, in 5 minutes there will be snow, and 10 minutes later again sunshine. It's amazing. It's just beautiful. It's a magical place. So very happy to be here today, and